What's up guys? Kung nakita ninyo, mag-wiring kita sa airbag. Kasi ang gibuhat na to aning sakyanan na. Actually this is like conversion, total conversion, like gina-swap na to ang Volkswagen Golf o ang Volkswagen Passat. This is Passat. So ang atong gibuhat since ang seats ng Passat na ito is deteriorated na talaga, is very bad. So what we gonna do is we gonna swap the passenger side and then the driver side, or switch, or swap the between Volkswagen Golf and then Volkswagen Passat. So luckily they have the same seat dimension, like on the measurement here, as you can see they have the same like measurement on the foundation of the seats, but the only thing is we have the different type of connectors. As you can see, connectors here are different. So what we're gonna do now here is we kind of rewiring this thing. As you can see, this is the original for the Passat. So the Passat has the brown, white and green wire, and this is the Volkswagen Golf, has the brown, blue and black. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna switch them over. So the brown, since the brown wire is in the position already, it's in the position, so we're gonna look here. So this is the lock here, lock mechanism, and also this is the lock also here. So the position of that thing is like that. Okay, I mean, yeah. So we just swap the white goes to the blue and the green goes to the black. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is done, and we will do also the other side, like this one. Guys, this thing has to be done perfectly, because whatever it is, if you like mismatch the wiring here, then the airbag may not be deployed, so there is a fault on the airbag system, because you like mix up the wire. So make sure it is done correctly, and we're moving on now to the passenger side. So the passenger side connectors, they're almost they're the same. Okay, so the blue wire, for this, take it from here. So the brown stays to the brown, and then the blue goes to the white, and then the green goes to the black. Okay, so this is done, connectors are done. So let's review once again. Like if you have that, so the brown goes to the brown wire, the white goes to the blue, and the black goes to the green. So there's a connector here, and this is the moment of truth. You have to connect the airbag connectors as well as the seat belt sensor. Okay, everything locked in place. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the engine. Let's see. Let's see the airbag coming back on. there is airbag right there, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna reset that one. Okay, let's see. So we're resetting the airbag now. We'll see what's going on. We have the lock here. I hope this will work, because this is our first time to swap the experience between Volkswagen Golf and then Passat. Swap front seats. So we're gonna observe the airbag coming off. Let's reset that one. We're gonna reset the airbag right here. Igniter. So we're gonna check if the wiring we're doing is good, whether or not the igniter, airbag igniter is like swap or whatever. Which is here, driver side igniter, so airbag igniter. So we're gonna like kind of check the wirings here. Hi. So airbag gun. So that means we're good. So the driver side. This is a wrap up, guys. Driver side, the green wire goes to the black, the white wire goes to the blue, and then the brown wire goes to the brown. That's on the driver side. I mean the passenger side. I mean the driver side, which is this one here. The green wire goes to the blue, which is the igniter, and then the white goes to the black. Okay, so don't mess up with this wire, because otherwise the airbag will not deploy and will appear on the dashboard that is faulty. So that's the setup here. The driver side is good. I mean the passenger side is good, as you can see. So the setup of the wire on the passenger side between Passat and the Golf is different. So passenger side airbag setup wiring, brown goes to the brown, the green goes to the black wire, and the white goes to the blue. While on the driver side, the white goes to the black and the green goes to the blue, and that will be good, as you can see. there's no airbag fault in here now. That means we're good. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you very much. Again, we're gonna wrap up this thing. We're gonna start again the engine. We will see if the airbag coming back on again. We'll see. So the airbag light is on. Once we start the engine, that will disappear. So airbag light gone, and that's it. We will deal with the glue plugs later on, or maybe next week, because now it's a little bit raining. So we're good on the airbag system. Thank you very much. Bye bye.